how to get baby soft pink lips naturally. Here is a simple DIY remedy for naturally soft and pink lips that you can do in the comfort of your home. Do them religiously, and in time, you will achieve what you desire. Honey and lemon mask. We are all aware of the goodness of honey and lemon. These two go together like carrots and peas. It's a miraculous combination remedy for so many problems. Honey is a natural moisturizer while lemon juice acts as natural bleach. You will need 1 teaspoon honey, 1/2 teaspoon fresh lemon juice, a glass container. Step-by-step process. Mix the 2 ingredients and blend them together in a glass bowl. Apply this lip mask and leave it on your lips for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash it off with warm water and follow up with a layer of lip balm. How often do you need to do this? You can use this on a regular basis as it's just a whole dose of goodness for your lips. How it works? Honey, as you know, is a natural humectant, and it helps to intensively moisturize your lips. Lemon, on the other hand, is a natural lightening agent, and using this over time will help you. We will share more natural remedies to get baby soft pink lips, so stay with us. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and families.